What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube. Today's video is another try on haul with Shein. And y'all know I love me some Shein. Plus I am their campus ambassador, so feel free to use my reference code on your profile to save a couple of dollars. I'll have it down on the screen, and then I'll also have it down in the description, and I'll also show you guys how to do it in the next clip. Alright, you guys, I wanted to share with you guys my reference code that helps save money when shopping on Shein. Just go into your account and hit me, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says my reference under more services. You're going to hit my reference, and you're going to put in this reference code US26776D, and then just go into your checkout. As long as you have items that amount to $29 or more, my reference code will knock out a couple of dollars off your balance. Anyway, yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm so excited. I know you guys have been asking for a lot more try on hauls, so I do apologize for the delay. I am going to be doing a lot more. I am out of school now officially, so I have a lot more time to do these try on hauls. So without further ado, so this is one of the tube tops from Shein, and when I tell you, this top is so adorable. Like, it's stretchy. Well, not as stretchy, so if you have big boobs, I would say maybe size up, but to me it's true to fit. I am a medium and I am a Dika, so it doesn't look like it, I know, but yes, I'm a Dika as a Dika. So yeah, this is it, and this is actually one of their pants too. Cute, right? Goes down to my ankle, super comfortable, super stretchy. Again, I'll have all of these clothes that I'm going to be trying on linked in the description, so don't even worry. And everything that I'm trying on today is a medium unless stated otherwise. So this 10 out of 10 for sure. Super adorable, love it. You can never not have too many white tops. Like, I love me a nice little crop top, and then these Bermuda jeans, very cute. I'm not sure, usually you see where it goes. I'm just trying to get used to this angle I have the camera. Normally it can show my full fit today, but whatnot, but whatever. This is a size medium. The jeans, I believe, are a medium. If they're not a medium, I'll have the size down on the screen. Normally there'll be like a number, like a 27, 28. I just don't remember what number it is, but this could be an outfit within itself. Yes. And then this is super light, so like even on summer days, if you live in Florida, it's hot as heck right now, and something like this will be doable because it's very light and airy. And it's these jeans, they're very stretchy too. So I really highly recommend these jeans. Alright, so I never had like a blazer before. And I wanted to really like invest in some. And this is one of the colors I have. It's like a tan color. And I really love it. I wanted to step out of my comfort zone. I know I tell you guys a lot, I want to step out of my comfort zone, but end up still buying the same style. But the blazer was definitely something out of my comfort zone. Like, I used to wear like blazers back in the day, but shoot, if I can find a picture, I'll link it here. But yeah, I have like this old picture with like a yellow blazer, but really digging this color. I got this in a few other colors. So I also got it in pink, and I think pink complements me very well. And you know what, let me try one on because they're all the same style. So I'll try it on, that way you can see where like the sleeves start and end. This is where the sleeve to me goes. Not too bad. And if you want to buckle it up, you can. This is also light and airy. Like, these aren't like heavy blazer. These are like really light. You can also probably pull these off in the summertime, but probably in the evening. I mean, not many people wear blazers during the day, depending on like the outfit, but I highly recommend it. They're very light, super cute. They got buttons in the front. No, it does not have pockets, unfortunately. You know, I love me some pockets, but no pockets in these blazers. Actually, I got this really light cream color too. I thought the cream brings like anything like neutral colors, they bring out like luxury, you know. I don't know what it is about these colors, but they scream out luxury. Like, you had some like gold with it, nice little white airy top like this, but like tank top with some nice jeans, I think you could really pull something off. But that's just my style. Somebody else can probably make this banging, you know. Last but not least, I bought a black one because you always need a black blazer. Yeah. So I bought a total of 4 blazers. I also bought these jeans. They're like the same as the black one, Bermuda type. Bought these too. These are they're kind of stretchy. I think I could say that they are true to size. Again, I'm not sure what size exactly these are, but again, if they're not mediums, I'll have it on the description of what exact size I am. Normally I'm a medium everything I wear at Shein, unless again if it's like a European size. I think I'm a 29. 28s just don't go around my waist, unfortunately. Again, I love me neutral colors now. Like I bought these like really long pants. They're wide foot pants, I guess that's what you call them, and super stretchy. Jeez, they're super stretchy, super comfortable. Like I'm like really in shock, and I'm 5'7", so they're really long on me. Not too long, but they're like perfect size. So when you wear heels with them, they're not like too long for the heels. They're perfect. So far so good. I love everything so far. This dress it's giving like Nubian princess. Like how I feel like as soon as I like put it on, I'm like with like my locks. Let me show you. Ooh, almost failed. Like what? I have a wedding to go to next week in New Orleans, and I think she's winning. Wait till you guys see the other dress on my skin tone, because it goes all the way down to my ankle. Like it's really long. Again, I'm 5'7" now. This dress is a medium. Can you imagine with like putting my hair up, and I feel like a queen in this, y'all. Oh, it did have zippers. Light and airy, and I know everyone tell me New Orleans is gonna be super hot. Y'all stay in Florida? If y'all know what Florida feels like, I don't think nothing can beat what I've been feeling in Florida. But again, I'll be vlogging that whole trip, so I'll give you my say on it. But yes, I love it. I don't even want to take it off. Again, it has a slit. The slit can go all the way down. All the way up. This fits good. I was trying to bring it up, but my little butt too big, so it wouldn't go up. But oh, did I show you how the back? Right? It's nice, ain't it? Don't lie to me. So I'm not sure if I got this on right. I don't know how to put the straps, if it even has straps, but this is the back. Let me turn from here because I slept on the wrong side of the bed and my neck can't turn. But anyway, my back actually looks good. Anyway, yes, y'all see what I mean when I said wait till I try on this dress? This dress looks so good on my freaking skin tone. It's insane. It has a side split. It's a lot more tight fitted, so I'm thinking of going with the actual gold dress instead. But I'm still trying to figure out. Like I tried it on earlier just to, this was like my first dress, because this was like my first. I wanted to try it on to make sure it fit, because this was my first choice for the wedding next week. But I'm going with the gold. But when I tried it on, the top was fine. I don't know, but sexy, right? I'm gonna still bring it on a trip with me because I may have a change of heart. I like these colors on like dark skin tone. It's just freaking amazing. And if I do wear the gold, this is the bag that I plan to wear with it. So gorgeous, right? And then it opens up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have so many plans for this bag. It's insane. This bag is so freaking cute. Okay, it's cute as heck. Like, who even thought of this? Who even thought of this? What? Spam is calling me. Yes, right? And I normally don't have much handbags, but I thought that was cute. But I also had to get this too. It's so freaking cute. Like, look at the inside. It's like the perfect handbag. And it comes, like, if you want to wear it long, which most people do, but I like to wear it like a handbag. Does it have pockets? Nope, it doesn't, but it's super cute. Normally I don't have colored heels, but I had to get some orange heels for that purse. Now I think the purse may be a little too bright, but look at these heels. Like, what? Now for me to try these on right now, it is a process because we all know when the straps takes a while to put on. So I'll put the link in the description on these heels if you guys want to check them out. But it's nice. I love how it's silver right here. I just love everything about it. And I don't think I have any like square toe heels at all. So you know what? I haven't even tried it on to make sure it fits. So I gotta do that anyway. They fit. Look how tall it makes me. Right? These are super cute. Let me show you guys. I know I need lotion, but yeah, these are how it look. These are size 8. Cute, right? Yes. Last but not least, I had to get me some tan. So I love these tans. I think they're just like similar, extremely similar to the orange. I'm not trying these on because again, straps take a long time. But they're super nice, same size 8. I think European or 39. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you watched it all the way through, I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more try on hauls, please feel free to leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my social media pages, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Let me be your woman. Woman. I can be your woman. Woman. Let me be your woman.